a blind baddie like me? If you are, stay tuned for this video. I got something for you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a little different. We got a package, and our package is from the eyewear brand named Zeelool. So Zeelool reached out to me and asked me to review some of their glasses, which came at a perfect time because I already told you guys I am a blind baddie. So that's why I use my little magnifying mirror to see what I'm doing with my makeup. Sis is blind, but it's okay because now we have glasses. I'm going to open the box with you guys. So let's do a little haul. The package didn't take long at all. I got 6 pairs to try them with you guys. I want to say it took maybe about 3 to 5 business days. And yeah, all of these frames have blue light blockers, so it's perfect for the baddie who's always on their phone or always on a computer, so you won't like ruin your eyes from doing that. I needed that a long time ago. I used to be on a computer non-stop as a kid. Where were my parents? But I used to be on a computer since like 12 years old, and I guess that's why I need glasses now. Let's go over these glasses. So all of my glasses are prescription glasses. You can get these without the prescription if you like. All right, so let's look at the first pair. I'll be sure to leave all the names of the frames on the screen so you guys know which ones I'm looking at while I'm looking at them. And look at these. Definitely a big frame girly. I think big frames are so fetch. Like, I think, oh my God, they have my prescription. I can see. These are, like, my head looks really small. Maybe because I don't have my weave in. I don't think I ever wore big frames with my hair straight back. But these are so cute. These are adorable. I love the way they look at the details on the side, girl. This definitely goes hard with like an all black outfit. Definitely makeup like this, like some soft glam baddie kind of look. But yes, these are given. I love these. I got them. Let's try them and rate them 1 to 10. Let's do that. So these, I give these a good 8 so far. These are 8, yeah. Yeah, I'm lying. You can see that prescription right there. They're called branding. These are so cute. Moving right along. We got our next pair right here. Got our next pair. Ooh, so these kind of, oh, these are giving cat eye a little. These are giving cat eye. I don't think I could say that. Oh yes, sis. So yeah, I'm definitely set for the summer. I'm gonna come out with my little outfits on for the night. I got all my glasses for my outfits. Yeah, these blues. So to me, these go nice with like a jeans outfit. If you had on an all blue jeans outfit, this would look so cute. I love these. Yeah. And glasses, let alone these are prescription, but glasses in general step your outfit up. So you know the accessories always do something. Glasses definitely take your outfit up to the next notch, no matter if they're prescription or regular. So yeah. These are Benitez. These next ones are called Minguella. And Minguella is a cat eye, girl. Ooh, these look really good on my skin tone. Okay. These are really, really pretty. This, I can see me rocking with a red lip. I'm gonna have to do the red lip with these. These would eat down with a red lip. So cute. These are so cute. And these are so me. This one is for my everyday classy woman. This is what I'm gonna wear every day. I could wear any of these every day because these are, the other ones is like my fashion girlies. This one is for my classy woman who don't want to do too much, but she wants a little bit of something. I got you right here. These are called rods. Look at the frame, first of all. Don't mind my prescription, because I know you can see that magnifying glass through the camera. But look how classy. I actually have a pair similar to this. The ones that I own right now, they're red, and this is perfect because these are black, so I can wear these with anything. But like I said, I'm a fashion girly, so I can wear whatever glasses with whatever. But these are so cute. So it's like basic black with the gold hardware on the side with the little glitter on the sides. So you're giving serious, but you're giving sparkle. These are a perfect everyday pair of glasses right here. I love these. Guys, I don't know how to rate these glasses. I shouldn't even said I was gonna rate them 1 through 10 because I think I love all of them. Because I said the last two was an 8. I'm really hard to please though. So that's why I'm giving them an 8. And I got 2 more pairs left. No, I got 3 more pairs left. So we'll see. I'm gonna give these an 8 again. No, I'm gonna give these a 9 because these are everyday. You can't go wrong. Nothing. They're beautiful. So I'm gonna give these a 9. So far, tell me what you think looks best on me. I would love to know. The next pair is called Kylie, I believe. Kylie. These are really, really cute as well. These are nice clear frame. I love clear frame glasses. I have a couple of pair of my own clear frames, not prescription though. So let's see what these are giving. These are different. These are the most different pair that I have, but I can see a vision for it already still. This to me goes with the, oh, I have an outfit for every pair of glasses. If I see something, like, I can visualize it. Like if I see like an accessory, I can visualize around it. So this pair of glasses is giving me all white outfit. It's giving me top knot bun because you don't want to or if you even do the top knot bun, I see with pieces falling down like a messy ponytail, or I can see this with the bust down. Not too much on the bust down though, because these are big in the frames, and if they're this big in the frames, you should have your hair up. Yeah, this is giving me messy ponytail. This is giving me an all white outfit. Yeah, this is those type of glasses. This is giving me very city girl. Yeah, these are so cute. I'll leave it on the screen though, so you guys can find these on the website. And also, you guys, if you're loving any of these glasses that I showed you in this video, or you want to just go find your own, I got a discount code for you guys, and it's JArtistry10. I'll put it right here on the screen. Already these glasses are affordable, not gonna hold you. A lot of them are very affordable, so they're affordable on top of the discount code. You cannot beat that. I would go run over and get them right now. So yeah, definitely I'll leave the code on the screen, and in the description box below, I'll leave the names and everything. So, and I'll leave them in the order that I did it in, so you guys won't be confused on how to pick them out. And now we saved the best for last. And like I said to you earlier in this video, my permanent pair of glasses that I owned before I got any of these was a red pair of glasses. I have a couple of pairs of glasses, but the ones that I wear for every day are a red pair of glasses. And now I got another pair. So these are called the Yasser glasses, I believe. And this is how they look. So it's just an all red frame. Just an all red frame, very beautiful. With a little cat eye. I love the little cat eye. Like, the little cat eyes on me are so freaking cute. I love how red glasses look on me. I love the way red frames look on me, and I always get so many compliments when I'm out with my red glasses. And now I know for sure they're gonna compliment me on these because these are big frames and I love big frame glasses. My red ones look like the black ones that I just told you about before, the rods. So these are way different from the ones that I have. And these are, again, gorgeous. So please, I have no idea how to rate these. I think the best ones so far were, what were my favorite ones? They're all so cute and I can see myself doing so many different looks with each one. But I think these might be my favorite ones, the Yassers. And I did like the Brandons, which were the other big, the second pair that I showed you guys. These, yeah, I think these two were my favorite. They all are really, really pretty and they look great on me. So I know they'll look great on you guys. So yeah, definitely be sure to go pick up your glasses from Zeelool. And thank you so much, Zeelool, for sponsoring this video. Hope to have more content from this brand for you guys. And like I said, I got looks coming up with these glasses. So make sure, if you're a glasses girly, make sure you hit that subscribe button and come back and follow for more. And also don't forget to save your 10% with J Artistry 10 at Zeelool.com.